Whoa, ladies and gentlemen, how are we all doing? Sorry I haven't been uploading. I'm going to explain that today, as well as getting the Pulsar. So this is big. I haven't had the Pulsar for a while now. Can't wait to have it back, actually. Really cannot wait to have it back. Can't wait to start making videos again. It's been a bit crap not making videos. I enjoy making the content on this channel. So I will explain where I've been, why I haven't been making videos. It's all tied in with the length of time with the Pulsar, plus some stuff which has been happening with the truck, just some bits and pieces, but we'll go over that today. I'm just waiting for Nick to swing by to pick me up and then drop me off over at getting the Pulsar. Basically, it's tuned, it's faster, it's running about 350 bhp now, which will mean it is scary fast, but it has brakes which should work properly. So anyway, let's get ready, wait for Nick, and I'll catch up with you when we're at the Pulsar. Right, welcome ladies and gents. Got the Pulsar. There's a weird clutch noise, which is quite odd. Like it's sort of creaking and cracking, which is quite strange. I paid yesterday, so I don't need to pay. So we're just going to drive it back. It's nice that they've actually resurfaced the road. So, because up here, if you've ever been here before, it is awful. The road is like so bumpy in there. Oh. You saw the engine bay. I'll chuck it on screen now anyway, but yeah, some weird clutch noise. That's quite odd. I'm not going to get on it too much yet. I need to let it warm up still, but I need to get it back to a garage to fill up the fuel tank because there's basically no fuel. So I'm hoping it will last. So why haven't I been making videos? Right. So just as a quick explanation, then we'll get to the Pulsar and what's been done. So I haven't been making videos because, ladies and gents, this Pulsar, it just took too long. Like, the Pulsar was supposed to be, a quick in and out job, ended up taking way longer than it needed to. And from there, I just didn't really want to make any videos. The truck's been a massive problem. Truck's not been good. I've not been having a good time with the truck lately. It's been like 3 months of exactly the same work that they've been doing, and I'm sick of that. And again, I didn't want to make any videos on the truck. And then I just went through some slight subtle bits and pieces that I had to go through in my personal life. But it does sound good anyway. So yeah, there was no motivation to make videos, basically. I can't keep making videos on the Lexus. I want to do a big review of that, and then we had loads of weird rain and stuff, so I couldn't do that either. This is project cars are kind of what you make videos on, and without any project cars it was quite difficult. And then I didn't get round to any car events or anything like that either, so I couldn't really do that, and just a whole load of motivational stuff basically. But I'm back now. Got to drive this, get this home. It's got to go in for its MOT soon, so I'll video that as well. Loads of little bits and pieces that are happening now with this car. Weird sounds. I'm in 4th gear though, so that's probably why. So yeah, so that hopefully that kind of explains why. But we're back now. So yeah, we're back, making videos, making content. I think I'm being flashed by Nick. I can't really tell because Nick's behind me. Maybe. I don't think so. So yeah, so we're going to get this to the petrol station. It'll be warmed up by then. I'll catch up with you then, and then I'll floor it and kind of tell you how it feels. What's been done? MAF, new air filter. Don't know why I didn't ask them to do that, so they put a new air filter on. MAF, injectors, fuel pump, new fuel tank because that was leaking. Loads and loads of things. Tuned. They sorted the brakes out because there were some slight issues with that. There was a bunch of leaks. They fixed all the leaks. CV boots, everything. It was like a 3.6k invoice, so quite expensive, but we're all good now. This should be it for a little while. They're going to fix the speedo in a couple of weeks' time, and then it's done. So I'll catch up with you when I fill it up, and hopefully no fuel tank leak, because they've given me no fuel, so I don't know how they know that the fuel tank is fixed, but never mind. So anyway, guys, catch up with you in a bit. Right, ladies and gents, so just filled the tank up. It's slowly creeping up. It's a completely full tank, really small. It does like 41 litres, really weird. Even though that's really expensive here in the UK at the moment. So, it's warmed up, it's all good. Felt okay, felt like a little bit of a wobble on the wheels and stuff, but it's had an alignment, so not really sure what that is. But we're gonna get on it now. Facing the other way whilst I'm talking, schoolboy error. So we're gonna get on it now and gonna see what this feels like. It should be running about 350 horsepower. So it should actually be really fast. The idea behind getting it retuned was just to get a little bit more power. It doesn't really need it because it was fast anyway, but it was more to make it more efficient because new injectors, MAF, things like that. And more power is always fun, but I don't want to blow the transmission, although I've got a spare. So I'm going to come up to this road now, this straight road, whilst heading back to my house, and then get on it, experience this new power for the first time. Good to have a fuel tank I can fill up now though, which is good. Before it was getting really frustrating. Sounds different. Interesting. Power curve feels different. Obviously that's like really mild, but power curve feels a bit different. Interesting stuff. So third gear, it's like a van in front of me, but let's give it some beans. Oh, it does sound different, doesn't it? The blow off sounds different. How weird. Doesn't feel dramatically faster. I thought it would have, but I'm not really getting on it. Interesting. I'm going to overtake this guy in a minute, so I'll get on it then. Have to. Must to overtake. So sorry to everyone that's obviously been enjoying the channel and then I sort of disappeared. You know, this channel doesn't make any money, which is why we've got the Patreon and stuff, and it's difficult to keep the momentum going when other things happen and, you know, projects are down and stuff. Okay, it does feel faster. Yeah, quite a bit actually. Yeah, that's much faster. This weird wobble. It's just wobbling around the steering wheel. It's just moving constantly. Why? So I'm short shifting a little bit, not intentionally. More because I'm trying to get used to the power. Yeah, it's much faster. Wow. Much faster. It's not like knock your head back fast, but it's definitely faster. This is like a fun fast, you know? Fun fast, I guess. This steering, what is this doing? It's so bad. This is awful. Let's just jittering away. Jesus. That's so bad. So any ideas why the steering's wobbling? Nick said maybe an alignment. It's had an alignment. I've got that read out here, so it shouldn't be that. Maybe a wheel balance. Maybe. But they were balanced unless one's knocked off. I was thinking maybe when I installed the big brake kit, you guys that have watched the channel enough, you'll know we mess up installs. Maybe I messed it up and maybe it's not fully centered, I guess. I don't know. Any guesses? Any ideas? I'm thinking it's me and the big brake kit install. I'm happy to admit I probably messed that up. It's fast. This is a good fun fast. You definitely get in trouble with it. But this is like a, yeah, this is a good fun fast car now. Nice to have the fuel tank all the way full. Oh my god, so sick of that not being full. For those that don't know, I used to have to drive this car around with just under half a tank of fuel all the time, because you fill it over, it would just leak out. I've got a new fuel tank put in it. Right, third gear pull again. To get around this corner. 5, 6 grand. Wow, yeah, okay, it's fast. It is fast, wow. Yeah, okay. Brakes feel good. Brakes feel good, actually. Wow. Yeah, brakes feel nice. It's just this steering that's the issue. It's so frustrating. Like I'm just wobbling around all the time. It's so weird. Wow, yeah. This is a fast car. Yeah, I'm happy to say that. This is a fast car. So, it's not been dyno tuned, it's road tuned, because they don't have an all-wheel drive dyno. The steering's very annoying. It's so different from my Lexus. Again, for those that don't know, I've got a Lexus LC500H, and the steering's so annoying. That car's so perfect in like every way. But this is why we like these kind of cars, a little bit of quirks. Crappy weather now. Yeah, I don't know. This is... Oh, no, not indicating. The steering's very strange. I don't know what to say about the steering. Thoughts? I'd love to hear your opinion. But all in all, yeah, good. This is fun. You know, you would definitely get in trouble with this. Without a shadow of a doubt, easily get in trouble with this. I don't think you'd want much more power in this. It's too small. I think it might feel a bit too dangerous. I mean, that's me being a bit of a wuss. I'm sure other people will be like, yeah, more power, baby. Give me all the power. Wow, pop, 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 pop. Yeah, okay. This steering's pissing me off. Right, I'm gonna go home now. Not much else really to say on this. I've got to get it booked in for its MOT. We'll video that, hopefully it'll pass. For those that don't know, an MOT is like, it's like a yearly vehicle safety check, basically. So videos are coming back now. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. By the time you watch this, the MOT would have been done as well. And I'll give you that good review on, well, it will be a good review of the Lexus, the LC, because that's such a beautiful car. So thank you all for watching, thank you for bearing with me, I am sorry. Follow me over on Instagram, Nate_car_nonsense. Hope to get around to maybe 1 or 2 more shows. Hopefully, we'll see. But thanks ladies and gents. Take care.